My favorite patient success stories are when we're able to get patients back into the medical community. I've spoken to a lot of patients who, for one reason or another, have either lost faith in the medical community. Maybe they're going through a period of depression, or they have, a chronic condition that makes them feel hopeless. And sometimes I think they feel a little bit processed, like, they're part of a big cog in a machine, that they don't really matter as individuals, or people have lost track of them. And so when I call a patient like that and I'm able to relate with them on a very human level and let them know that, yeah, I really do care about you. I'm a registered nurse and I've spent a lot of time working on your case, and I want to help you succeed. I want to help you live a longer, happier, less disabled life. I have a few patients who I will always remember helping. And For example, I remember we had a younger disabled patient who had just kind of given up, and had a lot of very serious diagnoses that kind of all were allied together or bundled together. And she had decided that it's not worth it. I'm probably going to live a short life, and she had kind of fallen completely out of the medical system. And I called her actually a few months in a row, and I thought, there's no way that this lady's going to pick up the phone. I know her story. I read her notes. And to my surprise, she did. And we had a very long and in-depth conversation about, motivating her. Listen, you need to see these 6 specialists, or however many it was. And let's get you started. Let's just get you back to your primary doctor. Let's start there and then work our way back up. Then we can work on scheduling all of these. And it did motivate her to make a change. But I think mostly what really touched me about it is that she just sounded so surprised that somebody from the nursing or medical community called and wanted to follow up with her, and cared enough to, after she had been lost in a sense for maybe a year or so, to try to get her back in and try to motivate her and help her to live a better life.